Hello, friends. Welcome to this English lesson. Today I want to take you on a little trip. Imagine this with me. You are standing in a very big airport. Many people are walking around. Some people are running. Some people are drinking coffee. Some people are carrying big suitcases. The lights are bright. The place is busy and there are many signs everywhere. You have your bag with you. You look at your ticket. Your flight is at 6 o'clock. But now you have a small problem. You don't know where to go. The airport is new for you. The signs are not easy to read. You feel a little lost. What can you do? Don't worry. You can ask for help. In this lesson, we will learn easy English sentences that you can use at the airport. These sentences are very simple. They are clear. They are useful. They will help you travel with confidence. Think about this. You are in front of a big screen. The screen shows many flights. You see numbers, times, and letters. You ask yourself, where is my gate? You look around. You don't see it. At that moment, you need to speak to someone. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" Or maybe you drink some water. After that, you need the toilet. But where is the toilet? Again, you can ask, "Excuse me, where is the toilet?" Let's imagine another story. You are hungry. You want to eat something. You see many shops, but you don't know which way to go. What can you do? You can ask a worker, "Excuse me, where is the shop?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the restaurant?" The airport is a place full of questions. Where is the check-in desk? Where is the boarding gate? What time is the flight? Where is gate 3? Where is gate 5? Sometimes you feel nervous when you travel. That is normal. But when you know the right English words, you feel better. You feel safe. You feel ready. In this lesson, you will learn these small but powerful sentences. They are not long, they are not difficult, but they are very helpful. When you use them, people can understand you, people can answer you, you will get help fast. And here's the good part. You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need long words, you just need clear, simple English. For example, "Excuse me, where is the toilet?" "Excuse me, where is gate 3? "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" See? Easy. You can say it too. And when you say it, you are speaking real English. So today, let's learn together. I will show you the sentences. I will read them slowly. You can repeat after me. We will also practice with a short story, so you can feel like you are really inside the airport. Are you ready? Take your ticket, take your bag, and let's go to the airport. Let's start learning English for travel. Great. Now you are ready to learn. In the airport, you need simple sentences to ask for help. These sentences are your tools. They are like keys. When you use them, you can open many doors. Let's start with the most important sentence. Please listen and repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" This is a magic sentence. You can use it in many situations. When you don't know the way, when you don't see your gate, when you want to ask a worker. Say it slowly. Say it with a smile. People will understand you. Now let's learn some other important questions. Where is the toilet? This is very useful. Everyone needs this. You can use it anytime. You say, "Excuse me, where is the toilet?" The worker will show you. Where is the check-in desk? When you arrive at the airport, you need to check in. You give your ticket, you give your bag. Sometimes the airport is big, you don't know where the desk is. So you ask, "Excuse me, where is the check-in desk? Where is gate 3? This is very common. Your flight is at a gate. Maybe gate 3, maybe gate 5, maybe gate 12. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 3? Then you follow the sign or follow the worker. Where is the information desk? This is another good sentence. The information desk is a place where people answer questions. If you don't know what to do, go there. Ask, "Excuse me, where is the information desk? What time is the flight?" Sometimes you want to check the time. Maybe you are not sure. Maybe you are nervous. You can ask, "Excuse me, what time is the flight? Where is the boarding gate?" Boarding means you go on the plane. This question is very useful. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the boarding gate?" Now let's practice with a small scene. Imagine this. You are at the airport. You have one bag. You look around. You feel lost. "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" "Yes, of course. What do you need?" "Where's the toilet?" "The toilet is over there next to the shop." "Thank you very much." "You're welcome." Easy, right? Let's try another. "Excuse me, where is gate 3? "Gate 3 is straight ahead. Please go this way." Thank you. No problem. Remember, always start with "Excuse me." Use short, clear questions. Smile and speak slowly. These sentences are short. They are not difficult, but they are very powerful. They help you find the way. They help you get to your flight. They help you feel safe. Now you are ready to try some fun practice. Let's go to part 3 and use these sentences in more stories. Great job! You have learned the key sentences. Now it is time to practice. Let's have some fun with English at the airport. Imagine this. You are in the airport. It is busy. People are walking fast. You hear voices. You see big signs. You hold your bag. You look at your ticket. The time is 5:45 p.m. Your flight is at 6 p.m. You must move fast. Excuse me. Where is gate 5? Staff, gate 5 is this way. Please go straight. Thank you very much. Welcome. Good. Now you know how to ask about the gate. Let's try another. You are thirsty. You want some water. You see many people but no shop. Excuse me, where is the shop? Worker, the shop is over there, next to the toilet. Thank you. No problem. Easy, right? Let's do more. Now imagine you need the toilet. You feel a little nervous, but don't worry. Use English. Excuse me, where is the toilet? The toilet is on the left, near the coffee shop. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Good job. You can do it. Let's make it more fun. I will ask you a question, and you can answer with me. Ready? I ask, Excuse me, where is gate 3? You answer, Gate 3 is this way. I ask, excuse me, where is the information desk? You answer, the information desk is over there. I ask, excuse me, can you help me please? You answer, yes, of course. What do you need? See? It is like a little game you can practice again and again. Now let's imagine one more story. You arrive at the airport in the morning. You look around, you see many people. You go to a worker. You excuse me, where is the check-in desk? Worker, the check-in desk is at the front near the big screen. Thank you. You're welcome. Later, you sit down, you hear the voice, boarding for flight 25. You don't know the gate. You ask, excuse me, what time is the flight? The flight is at 9 a.m. Please go to gate 4. Thank you very much. No problem. Wonderful. You can use all the sentences now. Let's repeat together one last time. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Where is the toilet? Where is gate 3? Where is the check-in desk? What time is the flurfect? You sound great. Today, we learned how to ask for help at the airport. You learned many small but strong sentences. They are easy. They are clear. They are useful. With these sentences, you can travel with confidence. Remember, smile, say excuse me, and ask for help. People will understand. People will answer. You will feel safe. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. Next time you travel, you can use real English in a real airport. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.